bestseller.
Read about the professor who knew
One
too
day
much and find
last
out
summer,
if he knew
I went to
enough.
Pittsburgh.
I first met
Well,
Private
I had
Quelch
to go
at the training
there on
depot.
business.
Training depot.
Pittsburgh
Depot ମାନେ
କଣ
ଯୋଉ
ଗୋଟେ
ଜାଗାରେ training
ଜାଗା ନାଇଁ କି?
ଦିଆଯାଏ ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା
So
ଆଚ୍ଛା
last summer
A
I
man
went
is
to
liable to
Pittsburgh.
acquire in his first week
I
of
had to go
army
there
life.
on business.
First week of
My
army
chair-
life ରେ
My chair
ଗୋଟେ
car
ଲୋକଟେ କଣ ପାଇବ
was
ହେଲା
profitably well
ପାଇବ
filled
together with
people
his uniform
of the kind one usually sees
rifle
on
and
chair
equipment
cars.
ସେଟା ତ ପାଇବ
Okay.
ବୁଝିପାରିଲ
My chair car was profitably
ଆଉ କଣ ପାଇବ A
well
nickname.
filled with people
ଗୋଟେ
of the
nickname
kind
ପାଇବ
one
ଗୋଟେ
usually
ଡାକ
sees
ନାଁଟେ
on
ସେ
chair
ପାଇବ।
cars.
ବୁଝିପାରିଲ
Okay. ତାମାନେ most of them were
so
ladies
anyone
and
who
brown
saw Private
silk
Quelch
dresses in brown
Okay.
silk dresses caught with the square yokes.
ଲେଖିଛି କଣ lanky
So
stooping
କହୁଛି ସେ
frowning
ମେ ବି ସେ କୋଉଠି ଯାଉଛି ଚେୟାର
through
କେୟାରରେ ଯୋଉଟା
horn rimmed
ସବୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି,
spectacles
So
understood
ତେଣୁ
why
ସିଏ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଚେୟାର କାର୍
he was known as
ସେ
the
ଯୋଉଠି ଥିଲା
professor।
ସବୁ ପିପୁଲ
ତାକୁ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଡକାହେଲା
ସେଠି
ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ?
ଚେୟାର କାର୍ ହିଁ ଥିଲା
Right?
ସୋ ଆଉ
ସେଥିରେ
ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦେମ୍ ୱେର୍
lanky,
ଲେଡିଜ୍ ଇନ୍ ବ୍ରାଉନ୍
ପୁରା-
ସିଲ୍କ ଡ୍ରେସେସ୍
so ତାକୁ କଣ
caught with
ଡକାହେଲା
square
ପ୍ରଫେସର
yokes
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ପ୍ରଫେସର
with lace
ହେଲା
insertion
ସେ-
and dotted bells.
କଣ ଥିଲା
Okay, so lace insertion
ଠେଙ୍ଗାକୁ ପତଳା ଥିଲା ଲାଙ୍କି
ମାନେ ସେଥିରେ
Right?
ଲେସ୍ ଲାଗିଥିଲା
ମାନେ ଫିତା ଆଚ୍ଛା
ହେଲା and dotted bells.
ତାପରେ
ଯୋଉ ଭେଲ ଗୁଡା ଥିଲା ସେଟା ସବୁ ତା ଦେହରେ
ହଉ।
ଡଟ ଡଟ ହେଇକି ପଡିଥିଲା
ଫ୍ରାଉନିଂ ଫ୍ରାଉନିଂ ଟା କଣ ଗୋଟେ
ଓଢଣୀ। Okay.
ମୁହଁଟା
We
କେମିତି
refuse
ମାନେ
to have the
frowning
windows raised.
through the horn
ସେମାନେ
rim।
ଚାହୁଁନଥିଲେ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋଜ ଟା ଖୋଲା ହଉ
ମାନେ ହର୍ନ ରେ ତିଆରି ଏ ଯୋଉ ତାର ଯୋଉ
ଝରକା
ରିମ୍
ଖୋଲା
ଟା
ହଉ
ଯୋଉ
ଚାହୁଁନଥିଲେ।
ସ୍ପେକ୍ଟାକଲ୍ସ ଆଉ
Then
ଯୋଉ
there was
ରିମ୍
the
ଟା ମାନେ ରିମ୍
usual number of
ଯୋଉ
men
ଚାରି ପାଖ
who looked
ସେଇଟା
as if
horn
they might be in
ଘରେ ତିଆରି ହେଲା
almost any business
ସେହି ବାଟେ ଅନେଇବ
going
ଯେମିତି
almost
ଅନେଇବ
anywhere.
ହେଲା କରାଟିକିରି
So,
ହେଲା
some
frowning
people
through horn
came,
rim
number
spectacles
of men, ହେଲା,
ହେଲା
as if they
ସେଇ
might
ବାଟେ,
be
ହେଲା
in
ତେଣୁ
almost
ସେଇଟା
any
ଦେଖିଲେ
business.
ଯିଏ କହିବ
ତାମାନେ ସେ କୋଉ
anybody
business ରେ ଜଣା ପଡୁନଥିଲା
understood
and
why he
going
was
almost
known as
anywhere.
professor,
କୁଆଡେ ଯିବେ ବି
as the
ଜଣା
professor
ପଡୁନଥିଲା.
ତାକୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଡକା ହଉଥିଲା okay
I leaned back idly in
those who
chair
had
number 7.
any doubts
Leaned
on
back
the
ମାନେ
subject
ପଛକୁ in
lost
ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଇ
them
ବସିବା, right?
after
Chair
5
number
minutes
7 and looked
conversation with him those who had any doubts on the subject
tepidest curiosity at the small black
okay those
bald
who had
spotted
any doubts on the
head.
subject
Okay, just visible above
right subject ଉପରେ
back of
ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ପଢୁଥିଲେ ହେଲା
number 9.
those
Number
who
9
had
ଗୋଟେ
any
chair
doubts
ଅଛି
on the
ତା
subject
ପଛପଟେ ସେ ବସିଥିଲା
okay
just visible above the back
ତାଙ୍କର
of
ଯଦି on the
sorry,
subject ମାନେ
ତା
why
ମାନେ
he was called the professor ହେଲା ପଢୁଥିଲେ ନାଇଁ
ତା ଆଗରେ ବସିଥିଲା।
why they were called the he was
9
called the
number
professor
seat ଆଗରେ ବସିଥିଲା
why he was called the professor so those who had any doubts on the subject
curiosity
lost
are the
them ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର
small
doubt
black
ରହିବନି they were
bald
lost them after 5
spotted
minutes
head.
conversation
ସେଇ
with
ଛୋଟ
him
head ଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି
5 ମିନିଟ୍ ତା
Bald
ସହିତ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଲା ପରେ
ମାନେ
ସେ
କିଛି ଜାଗାରେ ତାର
ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ତାଙ୍କର ଡାଉଟ୍ସ ଥିବ
ଚନ୍ଦା ହେଇଯାଇଛି
କ୍ଲିୟର ହେଇଯିବ ନାଇଁ କି ବାଲ୍ଡ those who had any doubts on the subject ଯଦି କିଛି
Suddenly,
doubts
number
ଥିବ ସେ
9
doubts ଗୁଡା ସେମାନେ ହରେଇବେ
called a book on the
lost
floor.
ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ
Okay,
ମାନେ ସେ ଲସ୍
between
କରିବେ
his
କାହାକୁ
chair and the
ସେ
window.
doubts କୁ
Window. ହେଲା
ବୁଝିପାରିଲ I remember the
And
first lesson
looking,
we had in
I saw that it was the Rose Lady and a
Muscatry
Trevelyan.
ହେଲା
ହେଲା
Muscatry ମାନେ
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବହି
art of using the infantry soldiers
called a book
handgun
on the floor. ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେ ଫ୍ଲୋର
I
ରେ
remember the
ପକେଇଦେଲା
first lesson
right
we had in Muscatry ସେଇଟା
between
ଗୋଟେ
his
lesson
chair and a window and looking I saw it ମୁଁ ବି
Handgun
ଦେଖିଲି
ଉପରେ ଆଉ।
ହେଲା so it was the Rose Lady and
We
a
stood in
Trevelyan
and
title ଥିଲା book ର
attentive
one of the best selling
circle
novels of a the present.
attentive ସମସ୍ତେ ମନ ଦେଇକି ଶୁଣୁଥିଲୁ while a sergeant
So ସେ novel ଟା ସେ ଦେଖିଲା.
a man as
And
dark
then
and
the critic
sun
veered
dried as resins
his chair
ମାନେ
toward
dark କଳା
window.
ଲୋକଟା ଏବଂ and sun dried as resins okay
So and then the critic
so mainly କଳା
veered
ଲୋକଟା
his chair
wearing northwest
towards
frontier ribbons
the window, and I knew
ସେଇଟା
him
ସେ
at once for John A.
ସେ ତାମାନେ ନର୍ଥ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଭିନ୍ସ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ
of
ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ସେ କାମ
Pittsburgh.
କରୁଥିଲା ବୋଲି ହେଲା
traveling salesman for a
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସେ ରିବନ ପିନ୍ଧିଥିଲା
Plate gas
ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟିୟର
company.
ନର୍ଥ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟିୟର
and
ରିବନ୍ସ
an old acquaintance whom
describe the
I had not
mechanisms
seen
of a
in 2 years.
service rifle
ମାନେ
ହଁ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋ ଆଡକୁ
Okay.
ନେଲା ରାଇଟ୍
ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ହଁ ଯିଏ କି ଏଇଆ ସବୁ ତାର କଲର ଏଇଆ
ତାକୁ ଜାଣିଦେଲି
wearing
ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ?
this ଏଇଆ ପିନ୍ଧିଥିଲା
ଜାଣିଦେଲି
ribbons
who he was.
ସେ କଣ କଲା
He
ସେ
was-
describe the
John F.
mechanisms
Okay. Escort.
ହେଲା କେମିତି ଚାଲୁଛି
Pittsburgh.
ସର୍ଭିସ ରାଇଫଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ରାଇଫଲ
ସେ ଗୋଟେ
ଟ୍ରାଭେଲିଂ
traveling
ରାଇଫଲ ଟା
salesman
କେମିତି
ଗୋଟେ.
ଚାଲୁଛି ବୋଲି ଦେଖଉଥିଲା ହେଲା the muzzle velocity
For a
or speed
plate
at
glass
which the
company.
bullet leaves the rifle
an old acquaintance ମତେ ଜଣାଶୁଣା acquaintance ମାନେ
Okay.
ଜଣାଶୁଣା ହେଲା old
So, ଏଗୁଡା
acquaintance
ସବୁ।
whom I had not seen in 2
muzzle
years.
velocity ମାନେ
ଦୁଇ
ସେଟା
ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା
ବୁଝେଇ
ତାକୁ
ଦେଇଛି
ଦେଖିନି।
କଣ ନା or speed at which the
In 2
bullet
minutes
leaves the
we
rifle.
were
That is
faced.
the muzzle velocity
ହଁ
he told
were
us
faced.
କଣ କହିଲା ସେ ଆମକୁ the
ମାନେ-
muzzle velocity or the speed at which the bullet leaves the rifle
ସେ ମତେ ଦେଖିଲା ମୁଁ
is
ତାକୁ ଦେଖିଲି
well over 2000 feet per
at second hands
2000 feet
and
per
had
second
finished
ଏତେ
with
ସ୍ପିଡରେ
such
ସେ ଯାଉଛି ବୋଲି ସେ
topics
କହିଲା
as rain, prosperity, health,
ହେଲା
residence and
voice
destination.
interrupted
ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଆମେ କଥା ହେଲୁ
ଗୋଟେ
Prosperity.
ସେ ପିଲାଟେ ହେତେବେଳକୁ
କିଏ କେତେ
କହିଲା କଣ କହିଲା ମାନେ
ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ
ପ୍ରତିବାଦ କଲା କଣ ସେ ପ୍ରତିବାଦ କଲା 2000
ଉନ୍ନତି
440 feet per second
ରେସିଡେନ୍ସ ଘର କୋଉଠି କଣ
ଇଏ
କୁଆଡେ
just
ଯାଉଛ,
ଗୋଟେ
ହେଲା?
2000 କହିଥିଲା
All this.
approximately ହେଲା ଇଏ କରେକ୍ଟ କଥାଟା କହିଲା
ହେଁ? So, we have finished with.
2440 feet
ଆମେ ଏତକ
per second।
କଥା ହେଇଗଲୁ
ହେଲା ଏଟା
ପଲିଟିକ୍ସ
କିଏ କହିଲା it was
might
the
have followed
professor
next.
ହେଲା
Politics
that's right
ବିଷୟରେ କଥା
the
ହେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ।
sergeant said without
But
enthusiasm
I was not so
without
infatuated.
enthusiasm ମାନେ ଏତେ
ମାନେ
ଆଗ୍ରହ
politics
ନ
ବିଷୟରେ
ଦେଖେଇକି
କଥା ହବାଟା
ସେ କହିଲା that's
ଖରାପ।
right
ତେଣୁ
and went
ଆମେ
on
କଥା ହେଇଲୁ
lecturing
ଆଉ Infatuated ମାନେ
କହି ଚାଲିଲା
ଦୁର୍ଭାଗ୍ୟ
when he had finished he asked us questions
ତେଣୁ I was not
And perhaps
infatuated ମାନେ ଆମେ କଥା
in
ହେଇଲୁ
the
ଭଲ
hope
ହେଇଛି
of revenge
ଓକେ I wish you
ସେ
might
revenge
know
ନେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି
John A.
in the hope
Prescott,
of revenge
ହେଲା
he
he
turned
is of the stuff that
with his
heroes are not often
questions again
lucky enough to be made of okay so he is
and
of the
again
stuff
to the professor he
ମାନେ ସେ
turned
ଏଇ ଜିନିଷରେ
with his
ତିଆରି।
questions ସେ ତାଆଡୁ
Stop,
ଖାଲି ବୁଲିକି
ମାନେ
ଯାଉଥିଲା
things.
ହେଲା again and again to the professor
that heroes are
turned
not
with
of
his
the
question
often
pencil
hero ମାନେ ବି not lucky enough to be made of
ନା ଆଉ
ସେଥିରେ
ଥରେ ପଚାରିବା turned
hero
with his questions
ମାନେ ବି
ବୁଝିପାରିଲ
ସେମିତିଆ ଜିନିଷରେ
ଥରକୁ ଥର
ତିଆରି ନୁହନ୍ତି
ପଚାରିବା
ମାନେ ସେ ଲୋକଟା okay he is a small man with
Again
a
and again.
wide smile and an eye
to the
that
professor
seems to be
ଖାଲି professor
fixed
କୁ
upon
ପଚାରିବା। The only
that
result was
little
to
red
enhance
spot
the professor's
on the end of your nose
ହେଲା ତେଣୁ
So,
କିଛି ହଉନଥିଲା ଖାଲି ପ୍ରଫେସର ଗ୍ଲୋରି ବଢୁଥିଲା ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ
and an eye
was the only
that
result.
seems to be fixed upon
ପ୍ରଫେସରର ଚାହିଦା ବଢୁଥିଲା
so he has an eye
ସେ ତ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଇ ଦଉଥିଲା ଆଉ ହେଲା
that seems to be fixed
ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ଡେଫିନେସନ୍ସ
upon
the
that
parts
red
of a rifle
little red
its
spot on
use
your okay
and care ହେଲା
the end of your nose ମାନେ ସେ
he
ଏତେ
had them all by heart so
Okay,
he
ମାନେ
had
ବହୁତ
them all
ତୀକ୍ଷ୍ଣ
by
ଲୋକଟା।
heart ମାନେ ସେ ସବୁ ମନେ
ନା
ରଖିଥିଲା।
ଆଇ ହେଲା ମାନେ ସବୁ କିଛି ଦେଖିଦବ ସେ ଇଭିନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ରେଡ୍ ସ୍ପଟ ଥିଲେ ବି
Sergeant
ସେ
asked
ଦେଖିଦବ
କଣ ପଚାରିଲା
ତମ nose
have
ରେ।
you
ମାନେ ସେ
had
ବହୁତ
any
ଇଏ ଲୋକଟା
training before
he believes that our plate glass
have you had any training ତୋର କିଛି
is the
training
most
ନେଇଥିଲୁ କି
important
the
commodity
professor
in the
answered
world
with a phrase that was to become familiar to all of
The
us.
Cambria
Professor answered
Steel Works,
answer ଦେଲା with a phrase.
the best company, and that
ଗୋଟେ
when a
phrase
man in
କହିକିରି ସେ
this
କହିଲା ଗୋଟେ
in
phrase
his
ଟେ କହିଲା
hometown,
that
he
was to
ought to
become
be
familiar to all of
decent
us.
and law abiding.
ସେମିତି
He
କଣ ପାଇଁ
believes
କହିଲା
that our
କଣ ପାଇଁ କହିଲା ନା that was to
Late
become
class.
familiar ସେ familiar ହବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା
okay, ମାନେ
ଆମ
our ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ
ପ୍ଲେଟ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଅଛି, right?
that was to
So,
become
is,
familiar to all of us.
Most important commodity in the world.
ହେଲା
ହେଲା?
ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
The
ସେ
Cambria Steel Works.
ଆମେ
the
ତାକୁ
best
ଜାଣୁ ବୋଲି
company.
ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା
And
No,
that when a
Sergeant.
man is in
it's
his
all a matter
hometown,
of intelligent
he ought to be
reading.
decent and law abiding. ହେଲା? ଆଚ୍ଛା।
So କଣଟା ସେ ଆମକୁ
he
ଜଣେଇଲା
believes that
ଯେ
our
ସେ
plate
ଏଇଆ
class
ବୋଲି
is
ସେ
the most
କହିଲା,
important
ମୁଁ
commodity in
intelligently
the world.
reading କରେ No, Sergeant, it's
The
all a
Cambria
matter
Steel
of
Works.
intelligent reading.
ହେଲା? ସେଇ ଜାଗାଟା ନାଁ କଣ
ବୁଝିଦେଲ?
ଥିଲା? କାମ୍ବ୍ରିଆ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ୱାର୍କସ। ସେଇଠି ହେଲା, ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ହେଲା।
ମାନେ ଭଲ କି
Best
ପଢେ ଆଉ
company.
ଦେଖିକିରି ଆଉ ହେଲା
ସେଇଟା ଆମର ବେଷ୍ଟ କମ୍ପାନୀ।
that was our introduction to him.
ହୋମ ଟାଉନ ହେଲା,
ହେଲା ମାନେ ସେ ଏମିତି ଆମକୁ introduce
ହେଲା, ହୋମ
କରିଥିଲା
ଟାଉନ ଯଦି ଜଣ ମ୍ୟାନ ହେଇଥିବ,
ହେଲା
ଟୁ ବି
we soon
decent and
learn
law abiding,
more
ସେ
about
ଲୋକ
him. ଆହୁରି
ସେ
ବହୁତ
law
କଥା
abiding
ବିଷୟରେ
ହବା କଥା, କାରଣ ନିଜ
ଜାଣିଲୁ।
ହୋମ ଟାଉନରେ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବ
He saw
ବସି ହବ ହେଲା।
to that.
During my acquaintance with him earlier, I
We
had
soon
never
learned
known
more
his
about
views
him.
on life.
He saw to that.
ଆଗରୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା, I had never known his views.
He saw to
ମତେ
that.
ସେମିତି କିଛି view ଦେଇନଥିଲା on life, romance, literature and ethics. ଏ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ସେ
He
କହିନଥିଲା।
meant to get on.
We had browsed during
he
our
told
meetings
us.
on local topics and then parted. କେବଳ ଆମେ
Okay. He saw to that.
ଲାଇଫ ଏଗୁଡା ଆମେ ହେଇନଥିଲା, ଆମେ ଓନ୍ଲି ବ୍ରାଉଜଡ
ମାନେ
ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସ
ଆମେ ତାକୁ
କରିଥିଲେ
ଦେଖିଲୁ ସେ ସେଇଭଳିଆ
ଲୋକାଲ
He meant to
ଟପିକ୍ସ
get on.
ସେଇଠିକାର ଲୋକାଲ ଟପିକ୍ସ
Told us.
ଡିସ୍କସ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦେନ୍ ପାର୍ଟେଡ। ତାପରେ ଆମେ
Okay.
ଘରକୁ ପଳେଇଥିଲୁ ହେଲା। ପାର୍ଟେଡ ମାନେ ଆମ ଡିସ୍କସନ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଥିଲୁ।
He meant to get
Now
on.
I was
He
to
told
get
us.
more of his ideas.
ମାନେ
ହେଲା।
get on ମାନେ
ଏବେ
କଣ?
ସେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ବେଶୀ କଥା ହବ।
Okay.
by
He saw to
way
that.
of facts,
He meant to
he
get
told
on.
me that business had picked up
ତେଣୁ ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା
ମାନେ ବଢିଛି
ସେ କଣ
since
He
the
told to ମାନେ I think
party
he was
conventions.
trying to learn.
okay, business
ସେ
had
କଣ ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଲି?
picked up since the
He meant to
party
get on ମାନେ
convention.
ସେ କଣ
କହିଲା ପାର୍ଟି କନଭେନସନ
କଣ
ମିଟିଂ
କରିବାକୁ
ପରେ
ଚାହୁଁଛି?
ହେଲା
ଏଇ ଜାଣିବାକୁ
business
ଚାହୁଁଛି ନାଇଁ
ବଢିଛି
କି?
and
ମାନେ
that
ତୁ
he was
ଉନ୍ନତି
going
କରିବାକୁ
to
ଚାହୁଁଛି
get off
ହେଲା
at
ଆଉ କିମ୍ବା
ସେ କୋଉଠି
ମାନେ
ଓହ୍ଲେଇବ
ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଚଳିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି କାହା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
get off ମାନେ ଓହ୍ଲେଇବ
get on
Okay.
to their friends ହେଲା he told us okay get on to their friends
ପ୍ରେସ୍କଟ୍ କହିଲା
ହେଲା
ସେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
steering his discarded book
he had the
with the
brains
hand
he was sure to get
ତାକୁ
a
ବୁଲେଇ ବୁଲେଇ
commission
କହୁଛି ସେ ବହିଟାକୁ
ହେଲା ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଆର୍ମି
ସେ
ଅଫିସର
did
commission
you
ମାନେ
ever
army
read
to get a commission
did you ever read
before
one
long
of these
ମାନେ
best
ଜଲ୍ଦି
sellers I mean the
Soon,
kind where the hero
as
is
a
an
first
American
step he meant to get a
swell
stripe
sometimes even from
First ଗୋଟେ
Chicago
band ସେ ପାଇବ
who
stripe
falls in love with a royal princess from Europe
V
who is
shaped
traveling
band
under
ଗୋଟେ
an alias
ହେଲା
and follows her to her father's kingdom or
as a first step
principality.
he meant to get a
I
stripe
guess
stripe ଗୋଟେ
You
V
have.
shape ର band ପାଇବ
they are all alike.
to indicate
ମାନେ
the
ସେ
rank
ଯୋଉ
of a
ବହିଗୁଡା
soldier ହେଲା in
ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ କି?
pursuit of his ambition ସେ ଯୋଉ ଆଗକୁ
କହୁଛି
ବଢିବ
ସେଗୁଡା
ambition
ଏକା
ତା
ଭଳିଆ।
ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ he worked hard
ହେଲା ସେ କହୁଛି did you ever
କାମ
read
କଲା
one of these best sellers? I mean the
we had
kind
to
where
give him
the hero
credit
is
for
an
that
American swell
he borrowed
sometimes.
training manuals
Okay,
ପଢିବାକୁ
even
ଆଣିଲା
from
training
Chicago.
manuals and stayed up late
ହିରୋଟା
at
ଆମେରିକାନ
nights ହେଲା
ଆମେରିକାନ
ଚେଇଁଲା ରାତି ଯାଏ reading them ଏଗୁଡା ସବୁ ପଢିଲା swell
Training
sometimes
manuals,
a
ହେଲା?
wealthy person of
He-
a wealthy people of upper class.
he
Okay.
badgered
Fashionably dressed,
ହଁ।
swell sometimes ସେ ଲୋକଟା
badgered
ଭଲ
the
ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ପିନ୍ଧିଥିବ
instructors with questions.
ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଲୋକ
badgered ମାନେ କଣ
ହଁ
ସେ ବୋଧେ ତାଙ୍କୁ
ସେଥିରେ ସେ
ବେଶୀ
ହିରୋ
ବେଶୀ
ଥିବ
ପଚାରିଲା
କୋଉଥିରେ ସେ
questions, ହଁ?
ବହିରେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ଇଭେନ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଚିକାଗୋ ସେ
He
ଲୋକଟା
drilled with
ଚିକାଗୋର
the
ହେଇଥିବ ହେଲା
enthusiasm
ତାର ଗୋଟେ
drilled,
ଆଲିଆସ୍ ନାଁ ଥିବ
ବେଶୀ
ଅଲଗା ନାଁ ଥିବ
ଭିତରକୁ ପଡିବା, ହଁ?
falls in love with a
And
royal
on the
princess
route
from Europe
marches,
ୟୁରୋପର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସେସ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସେ
route marches
he
ମାନେ
has
ଓ
hued
drilled
unlocked
sorry he drilled with enthusiasm
who is
drilled ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ୟାୟାମ
traveling
କରିବା
under the
exercise
under
କରିବା,
an alias
ହେଲା? So
ହେଲା
he drilled with enthusiasm and
ତାର
on the
ଗୋଟେ
route
ଅଲଗା ନାଁ
marches
ଥିବ
ଯୋଉ route ରେ ଯୋଉ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ
and
କରାଯାଏ,
follows
ହେଲା?
her ସେ ଲୋକଟା
ହଁ?
ତାକୁ follows her to
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ
her
ପାସ୍
father's
କରାଯାଏ, ହେଲା? route
kingdom
marches. He was not
ହେଲା
only
father's
miraculously
kingdom ପାଖକୁ
sorry
ତା ବାପାର
tireless,
ଯୋଉ କିଙ୍ଗଡମ ଯାଏ
ହେଲା?
ସେ ତାକୁ ଫଲୋ କରି
miraculously
ଯାଇଥିବ
ମାନେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟଜନକ
or
ଭାବରେ
principality
tireless ମାନେ ସେ tired
I guess
ହୁଏନି, ହଁ? But he
you have I
infuriated
guess ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ତୁମେ
us,
you have read it
ହେଲା? ଆମକୁ ବରଂ ସେ
they are
encourage
all
କରେ,
alike
ହଁ?
ନା
With
ସବୁ
the-
ସେଇ ଏକା ଭଳିଆ
with
ହେଲା
horrible heartiness,
well this fellow chases
ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନା ନାଇଁ?
the
ସେ
royal
ଆମକୁ
chair
ସେ
warmer
encourage କରେ।
home
What
as I
about a
said
song chaps, ଏମିତି କରେ, ହେଲା?
ସେଇଠି
song ଗୋଟେ
କହୁଛି
ଗାଇଦବା,
ସେଇଠି
ହଁ?
ଦେଖେଇକିରି this fellow chases
is not
the royal chair
greeted politely
warmer
at the end of a 30
home
miles,
royal chair
ହେଲା?
warmer
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଯେମିତି what about a
home as
song
I
chaps
said
ସେ question କରେ,
and finds out who she is
ଗୀତ ଗାଇବା is not greeted
ଏଇଠି
politely,
ସେମିତି ହଉଛି
ହେଲା?
ମାନେ ସେ ବି ଜଣେ
ସେଇଟା ସେ କହିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ସିଏ ସେତିକି ବୋଲି ସେ କହେ
ଗୋଟେ
ଆମେ
lady
କିନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ
କୁ
ଗ୍ରିଟ୍
follow
କରୁନି,
କରୁଛି and finds
ହେଲା? is not greeted
out who
politely
she is
ଆମେ
ସେ
ତାକୁ
ଝିଅଟା
କହୁ
କିଏ ବି ସେ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛି ପୁରା ତା ଘର ଯାଏ
ଆମକୁ
ଯାଇକିରି ହେଲା
କଷ୍ଟ ହେଲାଣି, is not greeted politely at
he
the end of
meets her
30
in the
miles,
evening and
ହେଲା?
gives
30
us
miles ଗଲା ପରେ ସେ କହିବ ଗୋଟେ
10
ଗୀତ
pages
ଗାଇକିରି,
of a
his salute
conversation
at the
ହେଲା
pay table
she reminds him of the
was
difference
a
in
model to behold,
their
ଦେଖିଲା ଭଳିଆ
stations
ମଡେଲ ଗୋଟେ,
and
ଗୋଟେ
that
ଦେଖିଲା
gives
ଭଳିଆ
him a
ଜିନିଷ
chance
କିନ୍ତୁ
to
ମଡେଲ
ring in 3 solid pages
ସାଇନ୍ସ ମଡେଲ
about
ଇଏ ମଡେଲ
America's
ଦେଖିଲା ଭଳିଆ ଜିନିଷକୁ କରାଯାଏ, ହେଲା?
uncrowned sovereigns
He salute at the pay table was
ତେଣୁ
model to behold, was a model to behold, when
ସେ
officers
କହିଲା
were in sight he would
well this
swing
fellow
his
chases
skinny
the royal
arms, chair warmer home as I
Huh?
said and finds
officers ଯଦି ଦେଖିବେ
out who she
ସେ
is,
ଆଗରେ
ହେଲା?
he meets her
ହେଲା?
in
He
the
would
evening
swing his
and gives us 10 pages of
skinny
conversation
arms, ହେଲା?
ହେଲା ସେଥିରେ କହୁଛି
Arm ହଲେଇ
10
ହଲେଇ
pages
ଯିବ,
of conversation ଅଛି
and march to
Huh?
the canteen like a guardsman.
she reminds him of the
So
difference in their
canteen ଯଦି ସେ
stations
ଦେଖିବ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଅଫିସର ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପୁରା ହାତ ହଲେଇକି ଯିବ,
ହଁ।
ଗାର୍ଡସମ୍ୟାନ ଭଳିଆ, and a day in and day out,
and that gives him a chance
he lecture to
to
us ସବୁବେଳେ
ring
in
in
his
3 solid pages
droning,
about America's uncrowned sovereigns okay
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
so
droning,
ଏଟା କଣ ଗୋଟେ ତାଙ୍କର
remorseless
discussion
voice
ହଉଛି ତା ଭିତରେ well you know how it runs on
on
if you
every
have
aspect
read
of human knowledge,
any of
understood?
he
droning,
slaps the king's Swiss
dear,
bodyguards around
wow.
like everything whenever they get in this way
So
get in
ତାର
his way
verb କଣ ହେଇଥିବ?
he is a great fencer too
droning ର verb କଣ ହେଇଥିବ? drone
ସେଟା
ହେଇଥିବ,
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବିଷୟରେ
ହଁ?
well you know how it runs on
ନା ନାଇଁ?
if you have read
ତା ମାନେ
any of the he slaps
ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କହିବା, ଗୁଣୁଗୁଣୁ
King
କହିବା,
Swiss
ଗୁଣୁଗୁଣୁ ହେଇକିରି କହିବା, ହେଲା?
bodyguards ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଯଦି ତମେ
ସେ ସେମିତି ସେ କହିବ, ହେଲା? He
around
lecture to us in his
like
droning,
everything
remorseless
whenever they
voice,
get in his way
ହେଲା?
he is a great
remorse
fencer
spelling କୁହ,
ହେଲା so ଏଇଟା ସେ କହିଲା ଏଇଟା ବି ପଢିଛ କି ନାହିଁ
କଣ?
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
R,
yes said Pescar but these kind
IMO.
of love stories are rank on the level I know something about literature even if I am
remorseless
in
voice,
plate
ହେଲା?
glass
ମାନେ
ସେ କହିଲା ମୁଁ ପ୍ଲେଟ୍ ଗ୍ଲାସ ରେ କାମ କଲେ ବି
ସେ କେବେ ଅନୁତାପ କରେନି, ରିମୋର୍ସ
ମୁଁ
କରେନି।
ଲିଟରେଚର ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିଛି।
ହଁ
ପ୍ରେସ୍କଟ୍ କହିଲା
ରିମୋର୍ସଲେସ୍
when people in real life marry
ସେଇଥିରେ
they generally haunt of somebody
ମାନେ ଟିକେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ
in their
ଭଏସ୍
own station
ଡ୍ରୋନିଂ
ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜ ଜାଗାରେ
ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ
fellow
କହିବ,
usually
ଗୁଣଗୁଣି
picks
କରି
out
କହିବ,
a
କିନ୍ତୁ
girl who went to the
ଇଏ ଭଏସ୍
same high school
ରିମୋର୍ସଲେସ୍ ଭଏସ୍
and
ଏଭ୍ରି ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍
belong
ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍
to the
ନଲେଜ
same singing
କହେ,
society that he did
ଲେକ୍ଚର ଦିଏ ଆମକୁ,
ତେଣୁ ସେ
ଆମକୁ କିଛି କିଛି କହେ।
ସେଇ ତା ଏରିଆର he chooses a girl of
At first,
that area
we had a
okay
certain respect for him.
Prescott picked
ଆମେ
up the
ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ତାକୁ
bestseller
ଦଉଥିଲୁ,
and
we had a certain
hunted his
respect.
page
ଆମର ଥିଲା certain respect,
okay
କିଛି respect.
so
But
Prescott କଣ
soon
କଲା
we lived in terror of his
ହେଲା?
approach. ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଣ ହେଲା, we lived in terror.
ଓକେ ଏ ବେଷ୍ଟ ସେଲର ନୋବେଲ ଟାକୁ ପଢିଲା
ମାନେ ସେ ଯେମିତି
Hunted
ଆମକୁ
his
କଥା
page.
କହେ, ଆମକୁ ଡର ଲାଗେ।
listen to this said he ସେ କଣ କହିଲା
ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? We tried to hit back at
Rebellion
him with clumsy
ଏଟା
sarcasms
ନଥିଲା କି
and practical
ତାର
jokes.
ନାଁ କଣ
ଆମେ ତାକୁ
ଥିଲା?
କହୁ
The Rose Lady and Rebellion Rebellion is sitting with the
ହେଲା?
princess
hit back at him
Alwana at the
with
back
clumsy
end of the
sarcasms. ଆମେ
Tulip Garden ସେ ବସିଛି ତା
ଥଟ୍ଟା
ପାଖରେ
କରୁ
ହେଲା
ତାକୁ, practical
କିଏ
jokes
Rebellion
ହେଲା?
sitting with
The
the princess
professor
Alwana
scarcely noticed, ହେଲା ହେଲା
this is how it
ସିଏ ତ
goes
ଜାଣିପାରେନି,
ସେ
ହେଲା
କହୁଛି ସେ
Scarcely
ବହିର
noticed.
ଖୋଲିକି ସେ ଦେଖେଇଲା ଏଇ ଜାଗାଟା
He was too busy working for his strike.
not so dearest and sweetest ସେ ପଢୁଛି
So,
ବହିରୁ
ସେ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ସେ
କାମ
knows
କରେ?
not so dearest and
he
sweetest
was
of
too busy
earth's
working for
fairest
his
flowers
stripes. ଯେମିତି ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରାଇପ୍
okay
ମିଳିବ,
ଗୁଡାଏ
ହେଲା
ଆସ୍ପାୟ
ସୋଲଜର ଥିବା ବେଳେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଜିସନ ମିଳିବ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ
you
ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଥିରେ
You are a
ଲାଗିଥାଏ ସେ
star.
ଆମ କଥା ଶୁଣେ,
Set high above
ଆମେ
me.
ତାକୁ
ସେ
protect କରୁ,
ପ୍ରିନ୍ସେସ୍
ହେଲା?
କୁ କହୁଛି ତୁ ମୋର ମାନେ ତାକୁ ଷ୍ଟାର ଭଳିଆ କହୁଛି
Each time
royal
one of
heaven
us made a mistake,
I am only myself yet
the professor
I am a
would
man
publicly
and I
correct
have
him.
a heart to do
ସିଏ ଯଦି
and
ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍
dare
କଲା ସେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଆଗରେ କହିଦବ, ଏ
ସେ କହୁଛି
ତୋର
ମୋର
ଏଇଆ
ଗୋଟେ
ହେଲା, publicly,
ହାର୍ଟ ଅଛି
he
ମୁଁ
would
ବି
publicly
ସାହସ
correct him.
କରିପାରିବି dare
Whenever one
I
of
have
us
no
was shown,
title save that of an uncrowned sovereign ସେ
ଆମ
କହୁଛି ମୋର
ଭିତରୁ
କିଛି
ଯଦି
ଟାଇଟଲ
କିଏ
ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ରାଜା ନୁହଁ
ଆଗେଇ ଆସିବ,
I am an
କହିବାକୁ
uncrowned
ଚାହିଁବ, the
sovereign
professor outshone him,
ହେଲା
ସେ ତା ଉପରେ କହିକି ତାକୁ
but I have an
ଟପେଇଦବ,
arm
ହେଲା?
and a
Then
sword ମୋର ହାତ ଅଛି ଖଣ୍ଡା
after
ଅଛି
a hard morning's
that
work
yet might
of
free
cleaning out
ହେଲା
our heart,
ଗୋଟେ ନାଁଟେ ଲେଖିଛି
ହେଲା
from the plots of
ଆମ
traitors
ଆମେ
ଯୋଉ
ଥିଲୁ
traitors ମାନେ
hot
ଯୋଉ
ରେ,
ତାକୁ
ସେଟାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ
plan
ସଫା
କରିଛନ୍ତି
କରୁ,
ବିଶ୍ୱାସଘାତୀ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ
we
ରକ୍ଷା
listened in
କରିପାରିବେ
silence to the orderly officers
କିଏ
praise,
ମ୍ୟାନ ଟା କହୁଛି ଏ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସେସ୍
ହେଲା?
ଲେଡି କୁ
ସେ ପ୍ରେଜ୍
not
କରେ
a-
ଅର୍ଡରଲି ଅଫିସର, ସେଦିନର ଯିଏ ଅଫିସର କଣ ପ୍ରେଜ୍ କରେ,
crowned sovereign
the professor would break out with a
ଗୋଟେ ରାଜା
ringing,
ନୁହଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ରାଜା ଭଳିଆ କାମ
beautifully
think of
beaming,
a Chicago man
thank you sir, acha.
packing a sword
So we listened in silence to orderly officers praise,
and talking about
ହେଲା?
freeing anything
So
that
ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ
sounded
ଶୁଣୁଥାଉ, the
almost
professor
like
would break out,
canned
ସିଏ
shards.
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଚିଲେଇବ,
shaddiness
ହେଲା? ସେତେବେଳେ with a ringing,
freeing anything that
beautifully beaming,
sounded as much like canned shaddiness
ହେଲା?
I think I
ତେଜରେ କହିବ,
understand you
ହେଲା? କଣ କହିବ?
John John
Thank
said
you
I.
sir,
ହେଲା
ହେଲା? ଏଇ
ତାକୁ
କଥାଟା
କହିଲା
କହିବ,
ମୁଁ
and
You
how
want-
superior,
ଏଇଟା ସିଏ
how
କହୁଛି କିଏ?
condescending he was,
Prescott, ହେଲା ତାପରେ
ହେଲା?
ଇଏ କହିଲା କଣ think of a Chicago man packing a sword and talking
and
about
and
freely
how
anything
superior,
that sounds
how
sounded
condescending he
almost like
was,
canned shaddiness ହେଲା ନା
ବୁଝିଗଲ?
ଏଇଟା ବି ସିଏ କହୁଛି ଏ ତିନିଟା ଯାକ
thank you sir କହିବୁ,
I think I understand you John said I ଏଇତେଳୁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ହଁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛି you want a fiction writers to be consistent with their scenes and characters ହେଲା
thank you sir,
ତୁମେ ଚାହୁଁଛ
and how superior,
ସିନ୍ ଆଉ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ଉପରେ
how condescending he was,
କନସିଷ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବା କଥା
it
ମାନେ
was always,
ସେ କହୁଛି ସେ ଠିକରେ ଲେଖିବା କଥା
let me show you fellow, or no, you will ruin your rifle that way, old man,
ହେଲା ସେ ଯୋଉ ମିଶେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
ହେଲା?
ଟର୍କିଶ
So-
ପାସାସ୍ ମାନେ
ସେ କହିବ
a high
how
official of Ottoman
ସେ କହିବ
Empire,
thank you sir
empire,
and
with
how
the
superior how
Vermont
condescending he
farmers.
was ଏଇ
Vermont ମାନେ
ଜିନିଷଟା ବି ସେ
state of
ଦେଖେଇବ
northeast US,
how superior
bordering
how
Canada.
much superior
ତାର farmers
how
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ମିଶେଇ
condescending
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି,
how he is
or
looking
English
down
youths
upon
with the
huh?
long
everything ଏଇଟା ସେ
Highland,
ଦେଖେଇବ ହେଲା huh? It was always
Clamdigos,
ସେ
Clamdigos.
କହିବ ସବୁବେଳେ କଣ କହିବ let me show
ଏଇଟା
you
କଣ Clamdigos?
fellow
The
or
people
no
who
you
hunt
will
for
ruin your life
clams,
rifle
edible
that
shellfish.
way ruin ତୁ
ହେଲା?
ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦବୁ ତୋ ରାଇଫଲ that way old man ଏମିତି ସବୁ ସେ
Or
କହିବ ହଁ
Cincinnati
professor,
agents
ହେଲା?
with the
ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ
the
we
Rajas
used to
of
pride ourselves on aircraft recognition
they shouldn't mix the Turkish
huh?
passage
କିଏ
with the
ଭଲ aircraft
Vermont
recognize
farmers
କରୁଛି
or English troops
once
with
out
the
for a
Long
walk
Island
he heard the
Clamdigos.
drone of a plane
or
flying high
Cincinnati
overhead
agents with the Rajas of India.
huh? drone of a plane
ये सब मिक्स कर
flying
देंगे
high overhead drone ଟା ହେଲେ କଣ କହିନଥିଲି
ଲେଖିଲା
କି
ବେଳେ
କଣ
ଆଚ୍ଛା କଣ ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ବୋଲି ସେ କହୁଛି
droning ଟା ମାନେ କଣ
ସେଠୁ ସେ କଣ ହଁ ଅର ପ୍ଲେନ ବିଜନେସ
ତାର ଗୁଣଗୁଣ ହେଇ କହିବା ନାଇଁ କି ସାଉଣ୍ଡ
ହାଇ ଅବଭ ଦେମ୍ ଏଠି ବି କହୁଛି ପୁଣି ଚାଲିଛି ମୋ କହିବାଟା
ସେଟା verb ଟା
ପେସ୍କଡ କହିଲା ହଁ ପ୍ଲେନ ବିଜନେସମ୍ୟାନ
ଏଟା
କୁ
କଣ ଦେଲା ପୁରା
ଆରିଷ୍ଟୋକ୍ରାଟ
sentence
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
କଣ
ମିଶେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା ହଁ ଇଟ୍ ଡଜଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା
ହଁ
ଇଟ୍ ଡଜଣ୍ଟ ଯିବେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
I don't see why people go to work and
Drone.
buy hundreds of thousands of
ଏବେ
books
drone ହେଲା ବି
which
ସାଉଣ୍ଡ
are best sellers.
drone ବି
Okay, ସେ
drone
କହୁଛି
ମାନେ
କାହିଁକି
ସାଉଣ୍ଡ
ଏ ବହିଗୁଡ଼ା
ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ହେଲା
କିଣୁଛନ୍ତି You don't see
କୁଆଡ଼େ
or hear
ହଁ
of
we
any
heard
such
the drone of a
captors
plane
in real
ଏଠି ବି
life.
ସାଉଣ୍ଡ plane
ତାପରେ
flying
ମୁଁ
high
କହିଲି କଣ?
overhead
Well, John,
ହଁ
I haven't read a bestseller in a
once
long
out for a
time.
walk ଆମେ
Maybe
ଯାଉଛୁ ଚାଲି ଚାଲି
I
we
have
heard
had a
it
notions
we heard
about
the
them
sound
somewhat like yours.
none of us could even
ତୋ
see
ଭଳିଆ
it
ମୋର
in
ବି
the
ତାଙ୍କ
glare
ଉପରେ
of the sun
ଥିଲା ସେମିତି
ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ କିରଣରେ କିଏ ଦେଖିପାରିଲେନି ତାକୁ
impression.
without even a glance
But
upward
tell me more about
ପୁରୁଷ
yourself.
ଅନେଇନି ଜମା
Getting
ହେଲା
along all
ପ୍ରଫେସର
right with the
announced
company.
ସେ announce କଲା କଣ
ସେ କହୁଛି
that
you are
of
getting
course
along.
is a North American Harvard
ହେଲା
trainer ସେ କହିଦେଲା
ତମେ
ଏଟା
ଠିକରେ
Harvard
ଚଳୁଛ
trainer
ତ?
ଇଏଟା it can be
All right with the company,
unmistakably
ହଁ?
identified by the harsh engine note
ବୁଲି ସେ କହିଲା ବୁଲି ପେସ୍କଡ କହିଲା
hmm.
brightening
harsh engine note
at once.
ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଇଞ୍ଜିନ ର
Bully,
ଯୋଉ
I have
ଭଏସ ଟା due to the high tip
had my salary
speed
raised
of the
twice
air screw
since I saw you. And I
ସେ ଏଟା
get a
ନିଜେ
commission
କହୁଛି
too.
it can be
I have
unmistakably
bought
identified କେମିତି
a neat slice of a
ବିନା ଭୁଲରେ
real
identify
estate.
ହବ by the harsh
ମାନେ
engine
real
note
estate ଜାଗା ବି କିଣିଛି ଜାଗା
okay
ହଁ?
ଏ ଯୋଉ
ପଇସା ବି ତାର
harsh
ବଢିଛି
engine
next
note
year
ଯୋଉ ଟିକେ
the farm is going to sell me
ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟା harsh ଅଛି ହେଲା
some shares
Time
of
ନାହିଁ,
stock ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଠି କାମ
due
କରୁଛି
to the
ସେଇ
high
ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ
tip
share
speed
ଦେବେ
of
ମୋତେ
the air screw
oh
ସେ
I am
କହିଲା
on an I am
high
in
tip speed of the air screw
on the
କଣ
line
ଏଇଟା
of
ହଉଛି,
general
ସେଇ
prosperity
ଜିନିଷଟା ସେ ପୁରା ବୁଝେଇଛି
ଓକେ ସେ
ହେଲା
କହୁଛି ମୋର ଭଲ ଚାଲିଛି ହଁ
what
I am
could a
doing well
gang of louts like us
met
do
your
with a
affinity
man like
yet
that
John
Okay.
I asked
ଆମକୁ ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ
okay
ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗ ଅଫ
so ସେ
ଲାଉଡ୍ସ
କହୁଛି oh I didn't tell you
understood
about that did I
so
said Prescott
ହଁ
with a broader grin
ଗ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗ ଅଫ ଲାଉଡ୍ସ
ଆଉ
ଲାଇକ
ଟିକେ
us
ହସିକି
ଆମେ
କହିଲା
ସବୁ do with a man
met
like
your
that
affinity yet John
so ଆମେ ତାକୁ କେମିତି
ତାକୁ ସେ କହିଲା
ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ତା କଣ
uh,
ଆମେ ହଉଛୁ ଅକ୍ୱାର୍ଡ
met
ଫେଲୋ
your affinity yet
ଅବାଗିଆ ଲୋକ
ମାନେ
ହଁ ଗାଉଁଲି ଲୋକ ହଁ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତାପରେ ସେ
ସେଇଟା
କଣ
ଗୋଟେ
କହୁଛି
ମାନେ
oh
ପୁରା
no
ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛି ହେଲା
oh sorry
so
oh
what could a gang of louds
I said
ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ
so you
ଏମିତିଆ
have
ଗ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗ
taken off
ଆମେ କିଛି ବେଶୀ ଜାଣିନୁ ଲାଇକ
enough
us do
time
with a man
from
like
your
that so ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ
played
ବାହାରିବୁ
class
ତାଠୁ
to have a romance
none of us
ହଁ
will
met your
ever forget
affinity
the
yet John
drowsy summer
ତାମାନେ ଏଇଟା ବୋଧେ ସେ
afternoon
ପଚାରୁଛି
drowsy
about his
okay
ଇଏ ମାନେ
summer
private life
afternoon which was such a
Okay.
turning point in the
So
professor's life.
private life ମାନେ
Professor's
ସେ
life ରେ
କାହାକୁ
ସେଟା
ମ୍ୟାରି
turning
କରିବାର
point
ଅଛି କଣ
ହେଇଗଲା।
ହେଲା
ଗୋଟେ
ମୋର
ମୋଡ
affinity yet John
who you wear drowsy କଣ
ସେ କହୁଛି
ନିଦ ଲାଗିବା
ଓ ଆଇ
drowsy
ଡିଡଣ୍ଟ ଟେଲ ୟୁ
not very
ଅବାଉଟ
active
ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍
ହେଲା
ଏଇ ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ତତେ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
କହିନି କହିଛି କି ସେଡ୍ ପ୍ରେସ୍କଟ୍
who you
ୱିଥ୍
wear
ପ୍ରୋଡକ୍ଟ
sprawling
ହେଲା ପ୍ରେସ୍କଟ୍ ହେଠୁ
Sprawling.
କହିଲା
sprawling ମାନେ
Oh,
lying with
I
arms and
said,
legs
so you have taken off enough
outstretched
time from
ମାନେ
your
ପୁରା
plate class
ଶୋଇଥିଲୁ
to have a romance.
ପୁରା
ସେ
ଗୋଡ
କହୁଛି,
ହାତ
so that
ଲମ୍ବେଇକିରି
means you are
we were
going
sprawling
to your
contentedly
means you are
ମାନେ
doing romance.
ଆମେ ପୁରା
Okay, you have a
ଶାନ୍ତିରେ
love
ଶୋଇଥିଲୁ
life
contented
for
ହେଲା
that. ସେ କହୁଛି
on
you
the
have taken
wall
enough time
grass
from your
while
plate
corporal
class to have a romance.
Turnbull
So ତୁମେ
corporal
ଅଫିସରୁ ଛୁଟି
Turnbull
ନେଇକିରି you are going.
ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟେ
ସେ ବୋଲି
was
କହୁଛି
taking a lesson
no
on
said John
the hand
no
grenade.
romance nothing like that but I will tell you about
so
it.
ସେ hand grenade
କହୁଛି, ମୁଁ
ଭିତରେ
ତତେ କହିବି
ଉପରେ ଗୋଟେ
I was
training
on the
ଦଉଥିଲା
south bound
ହେଲା we are sprawling ମାନେ ଆମେ ପୁରା
Going
ଗୋଡ ହାତ
to-
ଲମ୍ବେଇ ବସିଥିଲୁ
okay
ଶୋଇ ମାନେ
Cincinnati
ପଡିଥିଲୁ ଆଉ ହେଲା ଶୋଇ ନଥିଲୁ
about
ଭିତରେ।
18 months ago
sprawling
when I
contentedly
saw
ମାନେ ଶାନ୍ତିରେ
across the Axel
ଆରାମରେ on the warm grass
across the
ହେଲା
Axel
while
the
corporal
finest looking girl I
Turnbull
had
was taking a
ever laid eyes
lesson on
on.
the hand
Okay,
grenade
so I saw a girl ସେ କହୁଛି
hand grenade ଶିଖଉଥିଲା ସେ
ବୁଝିପାରିଲ?
କେମିତି ମାରିବ
across the
Corporal
Axel
Turnbull was a young man but he was not a man to be
ଆଚ୍ଛା
trifled with
nothing spectacular
ମାନେ to
you
play
know
with
but just the sort
but
you
to
want
fool
for
around with
keeps
ହଁ
for keeps ମାନେ
ତେଣୁ ତାକୁ ତମେ ବୋକା ବନେଇ ପାରିବନି
forever permanently
ବୁଝିପାରିଲ
but
he was
just
not
the
a man to
sort
be trifled
you
with
want
he had come back
forever
from
okay sort ମାନେ type ସେ କହୁଛି very
ହେଲା
not very nothing
Dunkirk
spectacular ମାନେ she
with
is not
all
very
his
beautiful
equipment
okay
correct and
But-
accounted for
the just the sort
and
you
his
want
kitten
for keeps
in his pocket
so you want for permanently
okay so
what you want that is
ତାର
that
ସବୁ
she
ଜିନିଷ
has
ଠିକ ଠାକ ସେ ଆଣିଥିଲା
she
he
read a
had come
book
back
and minded
from
her business
Dunkirk with all his equipment
correct she
ସବୁ
read a
correctly
book
ଆଣିଥିଲା
and minded
and
her
accounted
business
for
Okay,
for
which was
ମାନେ ଗଣିକି ଆଣିଥିଲା
to make the
and his kitten in his pocket
world prettier and better
kitten ଗୋଟେ ବି ଆଣିଥିଲା
okay
he was
ମାନେ just
our
by
hero and we
residing
used
in
to
it.
tell each other that he was so tough
Okay,
ମାନେ
how-
ବହୁତ strong ଲୋକଟା that you could hammer nails into him
so how
without his
the world
noticing
would
it
be prettier
ହେଲା ତା ଦେହରେ
and
କଣ୍ଟା ବାଡେଇଲେ ବି ସେ
so that is her
ଦେଖିବନି
business
ହେଲା
I kept on
କିଛି
looking out
ଜାଣିବନି
of,
the outside
the
of a
side doors.
grenade as you
okay,
can
of
see
my eyes
Corporal Turnbull was saying
I
ସେ କଣ
kept on
କହୁଥିଲା
looking
outside
out
of
of
grenade
the side doors
is
of
divided
my
up
eyes.
into large number of fragments
Okay.
to assist segmentation so ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ fragments ଖଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ତମେ
right side doors
ଭାଙ୍ଗି
of
ପାରିବ
my eyes
segmentation
so I kept on looking out
so ଗୋଟେ
ମୁଁ
grenade
ବାହାରକୁ ଅନେଇକି ଦେଖିଲି
44
and finally
ହେଲା
the proposition got out
44 ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ
of the
answer ଦେଲା what
carriage
is that the corporal
into a
looked over
case
his
of
shoulder
cottage with a
ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚକୁ ଅନେଇକି
lawn
ପଚାରିଲା
with
44
a
କଣ କି?
lawn and vines
what is
Huh?
that
running
44
over the
segments
porch.
the professor
porch.
beamed
ହେଲା?
at him professor
I
ତାକୁ
never
ଅନେଇଲା
thought of speaking to her
professor
but I
beamed at
let
ଅନେଇକି କହିଲା କଣ କହିଲା
plate
44
class
segment
business
ଅଛି
go
ସାର୍
to smash for a
corporal
while.
said nothing but his brow tightened
ଏଇଟା ସେ କହୁଛି କିଏ ପେସ୍କର
he opened his mouth to resume
understood
ପୁଣି କହିଲା and by the way
Okay.
corporal
ସେ କଣ
and by
କହୁଛି
the way
she read a
corporal
book and
we're all
minded her
thunderstruck
business which was to make the world
and by the
prettier
way
and
corporal
better just by residing in it
ତେଣୁ
because she is
we were
residing
all
in the class
thunderstruck
in the world I mean because she is staying in the
ସେ
world
କହୁଛି
the
କିଏ
world is
resume କଲା
beautiful
କିଏ
I kept
ସେ
on
ଯୋଉ
looking
corporal
out of
ହୁଁ
the
by
side
the way
doors
corporal
of my eyes
oh sorry
okay and
and by
finally
the
the
way
proposition
corporal କିଏ କହୁଛି corporal
got out of the carriage
କମେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
into a
by the way
case of
କମେଇ
cottage
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଅଧା କରିଦେବେ Hello, with
And
a
by the way,
lawn and
Corporal,
vines running over
we
the
were
crops.
thunderstruck.
I never
ଆମେ
thought of us
oh,
speaking to
we
her,
were by the way
but I
surprised. କିଏ
let
କହୁଥିଲା?
the plate
ସେ
glass
ତା ଏଇ
business
ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ପିଲାଟା ଏଇ
go
ଯୋଉ
to
ଇଏ
smash
କହୁଛି
for a
କିଏ
while. ଆଚ୍ଛା,
ପ୍ରଫେସର ହେଲା।
ତାପରେ
And by
ସେ
the way,
କହୁଛି she
କର୍ପୋରାଲ
changed
କୁ କହୁଛି
cars
କହିବାକୁ
at
ଚାହୁଁଛି ହେଲା।
ଗୋଟେ Cincinnati.
The professor was speaking again. ଏଇଠି actually
Huh?
we were thunderstruck. ଆଉ କଣ ହବ ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଭାବୁଛୁ।
So ଏଠି କହୁଛି
ସେ କଣ କହିଲା
Cincinnati
ତାହେଲେ?
କଥା.
By
About
the way,
18
Corporal,
months ago when
shouldn't you have
huh?
started off with the 5 characteristics
ହେଲା
of the grenade?
Cincinnati.
Grenade ର 5 characteristics ତ ଆଗ
So she
କହିଥାନ୍ତ ନା।
changed cars at Cincinnati and took a slipper
Shouldn't you have
କୁଆଡେ
started off with the 5
ଲସି ଖାଇ
characteristics of the grenade?
Cincinnati ରେ
Grenade ର
ଓହ୍ଲେଇଲା
ଆଗ 5
କଣ Cincinnati
characteristics
ରୁ
ତ
କୁଆଡେ
କହିଲ।
ଗଲା କାର
Our
ନେଲା
instructor at the other
ଆଉ କୁଆଡେ
camp
ନା ଗଲା
always used to do that.
ସ୍ଲିପର ଟୁ
You know?
ସ୍ଲିପର ଗୋଟେ ନେଇକି
ତାକୁ ଏଇ
ଗଲା
କଥାଟା ସେ
କୁଆଡେ
କହିଲା।
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାକୁ
In the silence that followed, a dark
ଆଚ୍ଛା
flush stained the tan of the
there
corporal's face.
she
Color.
she
ରେ,
bought କିଣିଲା କଣ
in the silence
another
that
ticket
followed,
and
ତାପରେ
went
ସମସ୍ତେ
on
silent ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା?
to
That followed, ତାପରେ ଯୋଉ silence
ସେଲଭି
ହେଲା,
ଭାଇଲ
a
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
dark
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା
flush
ଆହୁରି କଣ କଣ ଜାଗା
ହେଲା,
ଗଲା ଫ୍ରାଙ୍କଫୋର୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ
ଖରାପ ଲାଗିଲା, stained the tan of the
ଲେକ୍ସିଂଟନ
corporal's face.
ହେଲା
ହେଲା,
along
ତା
there
face ରେ ଟିକେ
I
ଇଏ ମାନେ
began to have a
ଇଏ
hard
ହେଇଗଲା
time
କଣ?
keeping up
ସେ
with
ଟିକେ
her.
ରାଗିଗଲା। Here, he
Okay.
said at last, you give this lecture.
I began to have a hard time keeping
ହେଲା,
up with her.
as
ମାନେ
if
ତା
afraid to
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
say
ଆଉ
once anymore, he tossed the grenade to
ସାଥିରେ
this
ଆଉ
professor.
ଯାଇପାରିଲିନି The
ହେଲା,
trains came
ତାକୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଲା। ହେଲା,
along
quite
the
unabashed.
trains came along
Unabashed ମାନେ
when they
unashamed.
pleased and didn't seem to be going anywhere
Private
in
Quelch
particular except to
climbed to his
keep
feet
on the
and
track
with
and
the attitude
on
of
the
a
right way
man
of
coming
as
into
much as
his
possible.
birthright,
Then
gave
they
us an
began to stop at
unexceptionable lecture
junctions
on this
instead of
grenade.
towns
Sorry.
and at last they
ସେ ହେଠୁ କହିଲା
stopped
here corporal
altogether.
କହିଲା here he
ଆଚ୍ଛା
said at last you give this lecture as if afraid to say any more.
So ଏଟା ସେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
He
ଟ୍ରେନରେ
tossed the grenade
ଆରେ ଆଗରୁ
to the professor.
ଏଠି କାର୍ସ ମାନେ
tossed the
maybe
grenade
ତାର
ସେ
ଯୋଉ
କହୁଛି grenade ଟା ସେ
compartment
କହିବାକୁ
ଡବା
ସେ କହିଲା here
okay
you give this
so
lecture.
there she bought another ticket and went on
ତୁ ଆସି quite
went on
unabashed.
through
ସେ
Selby
ଆସିଲା
Vale ମାନେ ସେ
କହିବାକୁ
ସବୁ
କିଏ?
ଯାଉଛି
Professor.
Frankfurt
Private Quelch climbed to his
texting
feet. ସେ ଆସିଲା ମାନେ ସେ ଟଷ୍ଟ କଲା
ଏ
the
through
grenade
ଦେଇକିରି
to
ଗଲା
the
ହେଲା
professor.
Lexington
ହେଲା, professor କୁ
Lexington ଏଇ ସବୁ ସରି Lexington
grenade ବିଷୟ
ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜାଗା
grenade
ଦେଇକି
ଟା
ସେ ଯାଉଛି
ତାକୁ ଦେଲା।
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
along
Private
there
Quelch
I
climbed to
began
his
to
feet and with the attitude of a man
ସେ
climbing to his
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯାଉଛି
birthright.
began to have
coming
a
to his
hard time
birthright,
keeping
ଯେମିତି
up
ତା
with her
birthright ଆସୁଛି ହେଲା।
so that means I could
Came
not keep
came
up
us,
with her
sorry,
that means
gave
I
us
could not talk to her
a
ଏଇଟା
unexceptionable lecture, ଗୋଟେ
the
ଅସାଧାରଣ
trains
lecture on the grenade
trains
ଉପରେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ
came
lecture
along
ଦେଲା। The squad listened in
when
cowed,
they pleased and
ମାନେ
didn't seem to be going
subdued.
anywhere in
Squad
particular
ମାନେ ଆମେ ପୁରା team listened in a cowed ମାନେ ଚୁପଚାପ horrified kind of silence. Corporal Turnbull
except
stood
to
and
keep
watched
on the
impassive
track and
except
on the
for a
right way as much as possible.
searching
Then they began
intentness
to
of
stop
gaze.
at junctions
ହେଲା,
instead of towns.
when the lecture
And
was
at last
finished, he said,
they
"Thank you,
stopped
Private
altogether.
Quelch. Fall in with the
Sure.
others now." କହିଲା ଯା ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଛିଡା ହ। Fall in ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
Contrived
ଛିଡା ହ ହେଲା। He did not speak any again.
to keep out of her sight
Did not speak again until we had
as much
fallen in.
as I could,
ଆଉ ସେ
but I
କହିନି।
never lost track of
ସମସ୍ତେ
her.
ଲାଇନରେ ଛିଡା ହେଲୁ we fallen in
ହେଲା
and we are waiting
ମାନେ
to be
ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ
dismissed.
ସେ କଣ କରୁଛି ଜାଣିପାରୁଥିଲି
ସେ କହିନି,
the last station she got
କିଛି
off
କହିନି ଯୋଉ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
at
ଆମକୁ
was
ସେ
away
ଛିଡା
down
ହେଲୁ
in
तापर हमको
भार्जिनिया
से कहला डिसमिस कला
तो कुआडे लास्ट
तमे
स्टेशन
हम
से ओलेला कोडे
कहला
भार्जिनिया
तुमरो सरला बोली ହେଲା
about
हैं
6 in the
देन ही
evening
addressed us तापर से हम कहला
there were about
as
50
some of
houses
you may have heard
okay
ହେଲା हैं the platoon officer has asked me to nominate one of you for
अच्छा
ହେଲା ସେ କହିଲା ତମକୁ ଭିତରୁ ଜଣକୁ
Erased
ମତେ ବାଛିବାକୁ
was
କହିଛି କିଏ
red
platoon
mode.
officer he paused and
Mules.
looked lingeringly up
speckled
ଟିକେ
hounds.
ଡେରି କରିକିରି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲା
अच्छा
ଅପ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡାଉନ୍
Tall old
ranks
man.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ ଅପ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ
With
ଡାଉନ୍ ଦି
smooth
ranks ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ
face
ranks
and white hair
as if seeing
looking
final
as proud
confirmation
as
of
a
decision as if seeking
Julius
ଯେମିତି
Caesar
ଚାହୁଁଛି
was
seeking
there
final
to meet her.
confirmation ଗୋଟେ final confirmation ଚାହୁଁଛି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରେ ସେ ଦବ କନଫର୍ମ କରିବ ମାନେ
with a
କୋଉଟା
smooth face and
ପୁରା
white
କରେକ୍ଟଲି
white
କହିବ
hair
ତାର ଡିସିସନ
looking as proud as a
so this was the
Julius
great
Caesar
moment
was there
most
to
of
meet
us
her.
could not help
ସେଠି ଜଣେ ଲୋକ
glancing
ଗୋଟେ
at private
old man
queries.
ଆସିକି ତାକୁ ଭେଟିବାକୁ
ତେଣୁ
ଚାହିଁଲେ
ଆମେ
ଭେଟିବାକୁ
ସମସ୍ତେ ତା ଆଡେ
His clothes were
ନ
fragile.
ଚାହିଁକି ରହିପାରିଲୁନି ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ ମାନେ ଚାହିଁବା
ଚିରି
could not
ଯାଇଛି
help
but I
glancing. ମାନେ
didn't
ଆମେ
notice
ନ
that
ଚାହିଁକିରି ରହିପାରିଲୁନି ହେଲା
till
who
later
stood rigidly
Okay.
to attention ସେ ପୁରା and stared straight in front
dress
of
ଚିରା
him
ଥିଲା ହେଲା
with an expression of self conscious
he took her
ହେଲା
little
innocence
satchel
ଯେମିତି ଭଦ୍ର ଭଳିଆ ଛିଡା
and
ହେଇଛି
they
ଅନେଇକି
started over the plank
for
marks
permanent
and went
cook
off
house duties
road along the
ହେଲା
hill
for ଏଇଠି ସେ କହୁଛି ଡଟ୍ 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 ମାଇଲା permanent cook house duty ହେଲା I have decided that
kept
private
along
cook
a-
is just the man for the job
I kept
cook
along
house
a
duty
pace
କରିବ ହେଲା ସେ କହିଦେଲା
behind
ଏଠି
them,
private cook. Of
trying to
course it was a joke
trying to
for
look
days
like
afterwards
I was hunting a
ବହୁତ ଦିନ
garnet
ପରେ
ring
joke
in
and
the sand that
joy to all of us
my sister had lost at
ଆମେ
a
ସବୁ
picnic.
କହିଲୁ ହଁ joke ଆଉ joy
Yeah, the
ଆମେ
previous
ଯାଉଛୁ
Saturday.
ରାନ୍ଧିବ ବସିକି ହେଲା
Okay.
I remember though
So ସେ କଣ କଲା
my
ଗୋଟେ
friend
tall man
Trevor
ଆସିଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା
and I talking about it a few days later we were talking about
ସେ
it
ଆସିକି
ଆମେ ତା
ତାକୁ
ବିଷୟରେ
ଭେଟିଲା
କଥା ହଉଥିଲୁ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ହେଲା
his clothes
We were
were
returning
fragile
from the
but
canteen
I didn't
to
notice
our
that
hut ଆମେ ଆସୁଥିଲୁ
ହଁ।
କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟିନ ରୁ ଫେରୁଥିଲୁ
till later he took her little
ହେଲା through the open door
He took
we
her
could see the three
little
cooks
satchel.
standing against the wall as if at
And
bay
they started over and
ଯେମିତି
over the
bay ମାନେ
plank
ସମୁଦ୍ର କୂଳରେ
marks
ଛିଡା
and
ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
went
ହେଲା
up
କିଏ through the open door ଆମେ
went up a
ଦେଖୁଥିଲୁ,
road
and
ହେଲା?
from within came
Along
the
the hill.
monotonous
ସେମାନେ
beat
ଗଲେ,
of a familiar voice ତାପରେ ସେ ଭିତରୁ ପ୍ରଫେସର
ବୁଝିପାରିଲ?
ଟୋନ ଆସୁଛି really I must protest against this
I kept
abominably
along a
unscientific and
pace
unhygienic
behind
method of
behind
peeling
them.
potatoes
trying to look
ସେଇ କଥାଟା ସେ
like I
କହୁଛି
was
କିଏ
hunting a
ପ୍ରଫେସର
ମୁଁ
really
ଖୋଜୁଛି କଣ
I must protest against this
a
abominably
garnet
unscientific abominably
red semi precious
ମାନେ
gemstone
not good ହେଲା
ହେଲା
not unscientific जो unscientific and unhygienic
I
way
mean,
ରେ
in the sand
potato
that my
peel
sister
କରାହଉଛି
had
ଛଡା ହଉଛି ସେଇଟାକୁ ସେ କହୁଛି
lost at
protest
a
କରିବି
picnic
I need to only draw your attention to the sheer waste of vitamin
the
values
previous Saturday ଆଚ୍ଛା
I need to only draw your
ସେ ଜାଣି
attention
ଜାଣିକିରି
to
ଖୋଜିଲା
the sheer waste ଯୋଉ waste ହଉଛି vitamin
went-
values ଏଇଟା ସେ
they went
କହୁଛି
on a
ହେଲା
gate
we
on the top
fled
of the
ଆମେ
hill.
ଶୁଣିକିରି ପଳେଇଲୁ ହେଲା
ଆଚ୍ଛା went sorry
ପ୍ରଫେସର ଏମିତି
went
କହୁଥିଲେ ଆମେ
went
ଶୁଣିକି
in a
ପଳେଇଲୁ
gate
ଆଉ ହେଲା ସେ ତାର ତାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହଉଛି କୋଉଠି
nearly took my breath away when
ସେଇ
they
କିଚେନ
looked up
ଭିତରେ ହେଲା କଥା ହଉଛି ତାଙ୍କ
Up
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆଉ।
there in
ଶୁଣିଲେ
the
ମାନେ ଏବାଟେ
guest
ଆସୁଥିଲେ
group.
ଶୁଣିଲେ ଶୁଣିକିରି ସେଠୁ ପଳେଇଲେ
ହେଲା
ହେଲା
I had even seen I had ever seen was a huge house with a round ହେଲା with a round with round white pillars about 1,000 feet high and the yard was so full of rose bushes and box bushes and italics, oh sorry, italic, lilacs, huh? That you couldn't have seen the house if it hadn't been as big as the capital at